My name is Jennifer Acosta. I'm a sophomore and I'm from Bergenfield High School. That experience was really, fun. I was able to meet other people who have the same interest as me in the same program, in the career. They're really smart, the girls I worked with. They kind of have the same passion, and I'm happy about that other people have the same passion. I'm coming into my mind to play what career I want to do, so looking today at everything that I can do in the future, that kind of helped me be wanting to be in a green sustainability kind of career in the future. Well, right now we're with a threat of a virus. We have the climate change and all of that. So, I'm trying to find a solution to all of that. Trying to be able to find a solution that can help and change everything around us to make it better. And we're taking small steps, but we need to be able to have our generation move forward and actually try to help more too. I think it kind of caught my attention. The location, the programs, and yeah, I think we will come back for another tour, learn more about the green technology programs that they have here. In my personal life, I will be able to do this every day. I would love to be able to help the world every day, help my community be more greener, be able to go out into the real world, go to other places, Africa, Germany, places like that. I love traveling, so, it will be really cool to travel and be able to help at the same time. This is a really great program. It kind of helps you see the overall system of how this program can help you in the future. It can show you a lot of options that you have. And today's challenge was an actual world problem, so we were able to solve an actual problem too. Thank you for actually, giving some money, giving the time to actually, fundraise a program like this that's actually helping students, actually be aware of our problems in the world, be aware of the careers that we can choose to actually help the world too.